we go.
Okay.
Opening the dress.
Here it is.
Whoa.
From the UK. Custom made to fit my long torso, no boobs.
Oh.
Okay. See? Inspect. Okay. Get back. Get back. Alright.
Doesn't show you. Just your
Okay.
arms.
Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
Hey, Mom, you can look in real life.
Wait a second, but
No, don't turn it.
it's just
Oh.
doesn't show much. Like half your eyes. Uh-huh.
Whatever. Okay. My cat started to open it for me.
Ooh, I'm gonna come around this way. Do do do. Ooh.
I hope it's good. I hope it's video worthy.
Oh, it's little. Why is it so flat?
'Cause
Oh my gosh, that is so.
it unfolds. Wait. Ta-da! Can you see it in the
Ooh.
video?
Yeah. Cool. Want a close up?
Wait, let me tie it.
It's like an apron. Get ready to cook. Ooh.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh. Ooh, Amish lady.
Woo! There it is. Yay.
Cool. Does it look like what you thought?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
That it?
Done now.